Hello, shamanettes. It's Suzanne, the beauty shaman. So today I thought we'd do a holiday makeup, but I wanted to take this holiday makeup from a makeup that Andie MacDowell wore on a red carpet gala, whatever you want to call it, event. I love the fact that she has this beautiful bright red lipstick on. Her hair is natural, it's gray. She has a beautiful eye makeup on. It's kind of hard to see because she's smiling so much, so I've sort of modified it today to look like this. But along with this, I want to talk about the power that Andie MacDowell showed when she went to this event and did not color her hair. So her agent said, do not go on this red carpet without coloring your hair. Andie MacDowell said no. I don't know if she said no, but she certainly showed up au naturel. And of course it made headlines. Vogue magazine ran a huge story on it. I was very proud of her. I was proud that she just stood up. She's in her 60s. She was like, hey, this is what my hair looks like. And it was beautiful with her red lipstick. She just went for it. And this is what I think is so important as we get older, to really stand in our truth and to be authentic and honest with who we are, with ourselves and with everyone around us. And this kind of power, feminine power, is often overlooked in our world, but it is incredibly crucial and important, especially at this time in history, for all of you to really be true to yourself and hold your own power and not give your power away to anyone around you, that you pull your power in and you hold it very strongly and in a very dignified way. And makeup is a reflection of that. Sometimes, just depends on you. But in this look, I want this look to be a reflection of your own power and strength. Before we get started, please visit my website at thebeautyshaman.com, and also please hit the subscribe button so I can continue to make great content here on YouTube. One last little plug here. Please sign up for my newsletter in order to get insider deals, discounts, sales, things like that, not just from me, but from other vendors I deal with. The link is down below. All right, let's get started. Okay, so for this red lipstick, we're going to use a warm palette like this one. So this is called Pure Basics by Jane Iredale. I love this because it's all warm tones, which will look really beautiful with the red lipstick. Okay, so for starters, I'm going to even out my skin tone over my eye. So I'm going to put an eye base on. This also helps your makeup to stay on a longer period of time. All right, I'm first going to start with this color right here. Just putting it in that outer edge. A little bit more just here. Now I'm going to do a little bit of onyx. So this is Jane Iredale powder eyeliner. You unscrew it, take the top, go like that. Has a nice handle. Okay, this is black, so we're going to be very careful with this not to overdo it. Just doing it right between my lashes. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to blend it. If you want to give it a little wing, you can. The way you do that is by looking straight ahead. You see that line from this angle right here and up from your lower lash line. That's the line. I'm just going to wing it a tiny bit. Then I'm going to take a slanted brush. Just go over the top of it to softly blend it in. You have to do this quickly though, because it dries and then it won't move. Okay, now we're going to delve into this orangey color here because it's a lovely warm tone. And we're just going to do that outer edge and take that in just a little bit. We're doing warm tones because this red is a really nice warm red. So we're sticking with the warm tones. Okay, so now we're going to head over to this really lovely, rich, warm brown tone right there. And we're going to go underneath. So if your eye can handle this, you can go more or less depending on your eye. If you can take it all the way across, do that. Some eyes can't handle that. Sometimes that's too much. Just depends on your eye. Okay, lastly, we're going to go back to the really rich warm brown we were just using underneath, and we're going to put it in the outer edge and blend it along that line a little bit just to take that down a notch. And I'm using a pencil brush. Just going to run it over the top just a bit, just to take that edge down a little bit. See how nicely that did that? Okay, so now for kicks and giggles, we're gonna do a really beautiful, shiny, peachy tone right in the lid. And I'm just gonna grab one from a different palette. So this is my Chantecaille palette that I'm in love with. Such beautiful iridescent colors in this. I'm gonna take the peachy tone right there. And I'm gonna use my finger, my ring finger. Oh, that's not the middle finger, that's my ring finger. And then we're gonna tap it. Just tap it right in there. You can do any color you want. I just am using peachy warm tones because of the red. Isn't that pretty? Really pops it. You can take it even in a little bit if you want to. On some people that looks a little too extreme, just depends on you. All right, so it's time for lashes. You can do a lash curler if you want, or you can do false lashes. I'm just gonna use the Jane Iredale New Volumizing Mascara, which I'm madly in love with. Yay! The way I do it is I do all the way across and I make a mess of it. Bloody hell, really, Suze? So just go across with the tip and then up. It's hard to find a clean mascara that actually, a non-toxic mascara that actually works. I love this one. Look at that. Yeah. I'm gonna do a tiny bit underneath. So our eyes are done. Now we're going to move into lips. So I'm going to do 2 lip colors. I'm going to do the Megan, which is a really beautiful deep red from Jane Iredale. And I'm also going to do a new Jane Iredale Hydro Pure. This has hyaluronic acid in it to plump your lips. It's also a lip gloss. So I'm going to use both of these together and it's magnificent. Okay, so for starters, I'm going to do some lip liner. I'm going to do the nude Jane Iredale lip pencil. And I'll show you how to do this to plump up your lips. So you want to go slightly outside of your natural lip line. This is a neutral, which I like with red because I don't want to match it. I don't want to overdo the red. So I'm the red. I'm going to fill in the outer edges with the pencil, and that'll make it look more plumped in the middle. Okay, then we're going to add our Megan lipstick. Ooh. Now I'm going to put the Sherry Red lipstick on, lip gloss on with hyaluronic acid. Ooh, so nice. I love this so much. Oh. Or you can just do the lip gloss with a lip liner, and that's just a lovely sheer red, but I wanted a lot more color just because it's the holidays and we're just jumping out. We're making a statement. Okay, lastly, I'm going to use a little mocha blush on as well. Just a little bit of color right by my eyes, a little bit over my eyebrow, just so I don't look too pale. Some of you forget blush. You gotta have blush. All right, ladies, I hope you enjoyed doing this makeup. Please write down below. I always love to hear from you. And especially, what does it mean for you to stay in your power right now, today, in this moment? What does that mean for you? In what way can you take back your power and back your energy in order to hold that and use it for the greater good? Use it for your own means, your own strength. Like, what does that mean for you? All right, have a great holiday, and I will see you soon.